Hello YouTube, in this video I will be comparing and contrasting the locking fuel plugs or fuel caps for those cars and trucks that come capless from factory. So today I am with this 2013 Ford F150 and it's the car or truck that I will be focusing on today. So the reason I am making this video is because the 2013 Ford F150 does not come with a gas cap. So when you open the gas door, you can see the gas tank is exposed to anything. And there is a metal that blocks anything. If you try to push it, it won't open. But as soon as you insert a funnel, it opens up. So right now the gas tank is exposed, and this is very dangerous because it can get vandalized or something like that. So I did some research and I found some gas caps. I bought this one at the O'Reilly. I also got this other one at the Ford dealership. So I will be comparing and contrasting both of them, and I will tell you which is the best one and if they really work. So I will start off with this one that I bought at the O'Reilly, and it's the same one that they have at the AutoZone. So I will be speaking for both the AutoZone and the O'Reilly. So as we can see, it is made out of plastic, so I don't think it's going to last a long time. It has the lock and the unlocked function. Right now it is locked, so we can remove the key. But as we can see, the pin moves back and forth, and I don't like that because it can easily be removed or something like that. It should be steady. Right now it's unlocked and the key won't come out because this is so that you are able to remove the lock. So as you can see, when I lock and unlock, the pin goes up and down. But like I said, when it's locked, I don't like the fact that the pin moves. So now I will be comparing and contrasting the lock made by Ford that is supposed to fit this pickup truck. So this is the one by Ford. My first impression is that it's made out of plastic, just like the other one. So it has the same functions, lock and unlock. Right here is locked. As you can see, the pin doesn't move. It is very steady. So as you can see, the pin moves back and forth just like the other one. But the thing that I like is that when the lock is on the lock position, the pin doesn't move. And also you can feel the quality. It's better quality when you remove and insert the key. It feels a lot smoother. So this is the one from O'Reilly, and it's in the locked position. And as you can see, the one from O'Reilly, the pin moves back and forth, while the one from the Ford, it stays steady. Also the pin on the Ford, it's a lot longer and wider, as well as the circle is wider, is bigger. So now I will be comparing them on the truck. And I know this is a horrible day to make a video because of the windy noise, but let's do it. So this is the one I bought at the O'Reilly. Okay, so I will lock it in place. It is now locked in place. So right away we can notice that it is very loose and there is a gap between the truck and the cap. Now let's see if we can remove it with my two fingers. I will pull it very lightly, light pressure. Okay, no, it's not coming out. Good. I will try to pull harder, more pressure. Wow, as you can see, it came out and it's still locked. I want to see if I can put it on even when it's locked. There. Let me remove it once again. This is trash. If you go to the AutoZone or O'Reilly and they try to sell you this cap, don't buy it because it's not going to work. Don't waste your time or your money. I mean, it can work, it can make somebody think that it's locked, but if somebody wants to pull it, they will remove it very easily. So now I will be testing the cap from Ford, and I hope it doesn't disappoint me because it's my last option. Otherwise I will have to do even more research to see what else is out there. So let me lock it, and even when installing the cap and locking it and turning the key, it feels a lot better and smoother. So the moment of truth, let's see if we can pull it with our fingers. Wow, right away I can notice that there is no gap between the truck and the cap. There's actually no gap, it is very sealed. I cannot get my fingernails in between them, and even if I can, I cannot pull it because it is nice and steady. I cannot pull the gas cap. Maybe if I put a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and pull it hard, it will come out, but not with my fingers. I wished it was a lot tougher and maybe bulkier, heavier, but it still gets an 8 just because I cannot get it off. I will keep this cap and I will return the one from O'Reilly. So to conclude this video, do not purchase the cap that they sell at the AutoZone or the O'Reilly, because as you watched, this is trash. It doesn't work, and this one sells for $24 with taxes. So if you want a little bit more of protection, I recommend that you get the one from Ford, and this one sells for $27 with taxes. And it is a $3 price difference. It is a lot harder to remove, and it feels very solid and steady. Okay YouTube, that's it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.